Hello, students. Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we will talk about the infamous theirs. There, and there. And the best way to learn these is just through memorization. Okay? So, let's take a look at them. The first there. This word is an adverb that indicates a place or position. So, there are many people at the gym. I'm looking through the window and I see people at the gym. There are many people at the gym. My dog ran over there. My dog ran over there. So I'm pointing to where my dog is in the field. My dog ran over there. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, let's take a look at the next one. All right, so this there, this word is a possessive pronoun indicating that something belongs to them. So, my parents are happy because their wedding anniversary is today. All right, so here I'm referring to my parents. Okay, so that's the possessive pronoun. So when using this there, you know that this possessive pronoun is referring to someone more in specific, okay? My friend and his family live in my neighborhood. That is their home. Okay, so here there are two sentences, which is fine because I'm identifying who this there is. And in this case, in this possessive pronoun, this there refers to my friend and his family. Possessive pronoun, okay? So always make sure that when you write, if you use this possessive pronoun, you refer previously who exactly this there is. In this case, my friend and his family. All right, so the final there is a contraction. A contraction is the combining of two words to form a shortened word using an apostrophe. Okay, so this there is a contraction of the words they are. So they're going to the Italian restaurant. So here, this is a contraction. We could say they are going to the Italian restaurant. But remember, this is a shortened word for they are. John and Sally are moving to Texas. They are going to be fully moved out before Christmas. Okay, so here we could say Johnny and Sally are moving to Texas. They are going to be fully moved out before Christmas. Okay, so these are the infamous theirs. So review them, internalize them, memorize them, and you are on the road to becoming a great writer that can differentiate these infamous theirs.